Yeah, might be get chased away by these waves in a minute. Oh! Had a go at it again.
About the waves and stuff like matters?
No.
Like for example, the way the waves come or
No, because they're out here. They're coming up the river in here.
yeah.
So they're coming up. I've had a few hits out there. I just haven't hooked up just now.
Yeah.
But so how do you cast overhead or sideways?
Yeah.
Sideways. You cast side on or overhead? Do you cast like this?
Yeah.
Or do you cast like that?
Go side. Yeah.
Oh, you go side.
Yeah. Usually I go side.
Okay. Rightio. See if I can hoof it out there again. Get it out as far as you can. Yeah, oh yeah, that should be all right there. And then wind real quick. That's it. A bit quicker. Yeah, that's it. There you go. Right in front here. All you need to do now is hook up.
Really good.
Oh no. There's a big hole there. Yeah, we might move up the bank, eh? You're gonna get saturated. Yeah, so if you move up the bank there, you'll still catch them off here. Yeah, or you can probably, you have a go out here. Yeah, it's a wee bit shallow here, it's a bit of a hole here. Go out as far, without getting too wet, and cast it out as far as you can. Oh, you got some stuff on the line. Take the stuff off the end of your line, the green weed. Did you ever hit? You did have one? Yeah. Good one. Right, get it in and see if we can wait for the set to come. And then we'll, oh! A bit of weed too. Straight away. Oh, he's off. Oh, he's on again. Oh, he's on again. Oh, he's off. I'll be possibly the same one. I might move in and go around the other side now because we might find holes behind us, might get trapped. There we go. Out there again. Oh, oh, come on little buddy. You make it back inside. Yeah, that's the one. And they're just so fat and full of krill. I'll just about take anything. You'd take your mother's false teeth if they would. They'd take your mother's false teeth. Oh, he's done a backflip and got off. 16. It's a bit slow on the old take. It's slow on the old take. Speed it up a little bit. Yeah. Oh. Speed it up a little bit. Hey, bugger, he went for it. Little bugger. Big old 40 grammer. Oh, he hit it in close. He hit it in close. And the water's warm to stand in too. Must be 18, 19 degrees. And again, hooking up like a girl on its first date. Did you want to try one of these blue lures of mine? Did you want to try one of these blue lures?
Yeah, you can get.
Okay, I'll get this, I'll just have a look.
I was checking like some place to buy some nearby, but it's like probably just like tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah, have a wee go with that. I'll get it back off here. We have a few shots and so on as well. Oh, you got some extra weights on there. You got some extra weight on it, have you? Right. Yeah, it's a 30 gram. Oh, you got off. What's that?
Here, like for fish, is always like these or just a lucky day?
Oh, it's just, yeah, the fish are coming in now.
Yeah,
Yeah,
cool.
so it's water's a lot warmer. You know how to tie that on?
Oh no.
Okay, I'll just...
directly doesn't work or?
Yeah, it does. You got nylon, yeah, it's all cool. I'll just see if I've got a swivel. Because you'll need a swivel on the end of that. Actually, I'll put a crook up on the end of it for you. We'll go back a bit, eh?
Oh yeah, we had it deeper.
Yeah.
Are you from New Zealand?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
cool.
yeah. Right.
Very interesting, yeah. Everyone that was too big for this stuff. Buy a small one can fit everything, yeah.
Yeah, I'll put it through the end of it. Cool.
I have kind of this, alright, yeah. Because I thought like they say like colorful line doesn't really work.
Yeah.
The fish can see it.
Oh, I'm not too sure about it. With the Kahawai, it's not too bad.
Yeah. But you have like this extra.
Yeah, nylon, I got a leader on.
So use like 40 to 30 is like.
Yeah, 20, 30, 40, yeah.
Yeah.
I should get my pliers out, but this might be a wee bit quicker way of doing it. No, I've got one out.
it's crazy. I feel like everyone get like so many fishes.
Yeah, crazy, eh?
There's another weekend I was on the another side.
Yeah.
It's been like whole day. Maybe I'm with the wrong gear as well.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Frustrating, eh?
Yeah. I haven't not one single bite.
Didn't you? Didn't get one bite?
No, even one. Yeah.
Oh jeez, that's no good. Yeah, I run a YouTube channel, you see.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, so I just record on YouTube and so on.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. I'll give you that. You have a go.
What's the name on YouTube?
Canterbury Fishing.
Canterbury Fishing.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I saw some. Yeah.
You have seen that, yeah?
Yeah.
So I'm recording now. So you okay if I put you on here and
Yeah,
so? Yeah, cool. Okay, no worries. Cool. All right, give that lure a go and see if you can hoof it out as far as you can.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh. Now targeting these Kahawai in the incoming tide and the breakers. Putting up a stink. They're big fish this year. Some real big fish. Oh, so you can see the green stuff on the line. Yeah, got the washing on the line. Great fun. Haul this little bugger in. I just gave one to, I've been giving them away today, of course. I just gave one to another guy. I might yell at him and see if he wants another one. Big fish, big strong fish. They're shaking their heads. Yeah, no, get rid of that lure. No, opens his mouth. Bloody big mouths as well. It's a long way to walk back from the edge of the ocean, well, into the depth there, obviously because it's incoming tide. I'll just see it. Do you want another one? No? Don't need another one? Okay. Oh, he's off like a banshee. There you go. Flick all the rubbish over me. Oh, you silly fish. I'm going to let you go, so just don't panic. Rightio. Now, yes, I know you're going to go silly because you can feel the water. Down there. And I'll encourage him to come back into the water. Yeah, the fish is on his way out. Look at this, he's trying to find his way. No, go over here. Come on, fishy. You're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong. Oh, look at this. You silly little bucket. No, you're going to. Oh. There you go. Away you go. Oh, they're crazy, these fish. Where are we? Have we got the fish? Rightio. So I've just caught a kahawai and I've chucked him in a little pond of water. And he's obviously stuck right in there. You can see with the lure in his mouth. See, it feels the edge, so he can't get out, and the sea's not even 2 feet away from him. See, he's just cruising that wee area. He's trapped. But he's going to get let go. Check out that, eh? Got the line attached to him. And I'm going to let him off in a minute. He's not in any harm. There's plenty of oxygen in there. Bit of water's pushed up. He says, oh, I can't get up there either. He says, no, can't get up there. Yeah, get back into that deeper water there, mate. I'm going to let the hook off here in a minute. There we go. There we go. Look at that, he's just stuck there. Yeah, right, mate. We'll let you off. We'll let you off. You ready? Come here. You'll come out here. Come here. He's going back in the swimming pool. Come here. Right, we'll pull you out. You've had enough time in that bath. Rightio. There we go. I'll put you back in the wee channel. Sandy. Here you go. Out you go. Oh, you go the right way. No, you go the wrong way. The way round. No.